Everything that's going on in my life is metaphysical. In every human trouble or problem, there's always a spiritual solution around it. The eyes cannot see, the hands cannot touch, but it's an energy level that can be working on.
Was there like a day na parang you really let that day become a bad day?
There's no such thing as bad news. The bad news that is can be the greatest news. Anything and everything that has something to do with my growth. My fear is most people are just working for survival. How can you celebrate life? You don't even know what is available out there.
I mean, that's very practical, Coach. I think we got one part of that right. The extreme self-care.
Yeah.
Like, I think ever since then na-meet kita, Coach, it's just like that 20 minutes a day, 1 hour meditation. Like, if I know na meron akong malaking event, like the more I know it's gonna be a busy day, the longer meditation that I need to do. And it's of course that's something that I learned from you, and it's really really helpful. Um, Coach, I want to ask you now something that really intrigues me because I've been seeing your posts lately.
Yeah.
You've kind of shifted your branding into a metaphysical coach Russ. Can you share a little bit about what does that mean?
Ang dami na kasing transformational coaches. So, I want to be unique as well. So, maybe that's an ego na to be unique.
Uh-huh.
But more than that, ako kasi isa na lang paniwala ko. Everything that's going on in my life is metaphysical. What does it mean? In every human trouble or problem, there's always a spiritual solution around it.
Mm.
So which means I'll tell you, I don't know if you know this, that I never get physically sick for the past 15
Oh
years of my
yeah.
life,
Oh nga, no?
right? During COVID, everyone was hit. I don't even use this and this, but never, never, never. Why? The moment I feel something's off physically, I go back and breathe. Right. So there's sore throat. Sore throat, what are you trying to tell me right now before it becomes worse? Right. Maybe here you need to speak something in your life that you cannot imagine existing. You're not even speaking out.
Mm.
And the moment you identify it, you start speaking it out, healed. This is the weirdest part, Alec. So one day, people were just panicking because they saw my eyes really red.
Hmm.
So I took a photo. I said, ChatGPT, what is this? So they said the vein, etc., etc. It will take 2 weeks with this
Yeah.
gamot, this and that. All right. So I said, what's the cause? Sabi niya, extreme pressure, maybe tinamaan, ganon,
Mm.
ganon. I don't remember getting into that physical activity. All right. ChatGPT, what is the metaphysical meaning of this? Something that you see in your life that you refuse to look into.
Mm.
And at that time, I know I was a little bit disturbed with some of the teams that I was working with.
Mm.
And I said, okay, I need to handle this. So I started sending a daddy, didi, daddy, di. Okay, I'm letting you go. I love you. I forgive you.
You send voice message to people, Coach.
Yes. The moment I finish everything, automatic, the red is gone.
Oh, that's crazy. Ang galing.
Um, a lot of stories
Yeah.
that I would always believe, Alec. Um, I receive 200, 300, 600 messages every day, and most of them are asking for financial coaching.
Mm.
And every time I have, an opportunity to speak to them, money problem is never but money problem. It's still what's going on internally. It's still the trauma or maybe the wounds that they kept that is showing up in their money life.
Yeah.
Every single problem or struggle that we all have is not what we see in the physical form, but it's the things that we don't see. And I would always say that every solution in life, the only answer there is spirituality.
Mm. When it comes to like the metaphysical thing, like even like clearing things out, sending the voice message,
Yeah,
it's also
it
spirituality.
is. You energetically let it go.
Okay.
You allow yourself to be clearing your space.
Mm.
You allow yourself to just handle it in a way that needs to be handled on
Yeah.
a spiritual level. The eyes cannot see, the hands cannot touch, but it's an energy level that
Mm.
can be working on.
Coach, I think for so many people who have experienced you, and even me, I can't remember a time where was you were really low, um, and you were struggling with something. Of course, with all the work that you've put in, the 1 hour meditation, but I wanted still to ask, meron meron ba maybe in the recent time where there was even just a day where you said like na bad trip ka sa mundo, like alam mo yun na parang um maybe was there like a day na parang you really let that day become a bad day?
I don't remember, Alec.
Really?
I'm not saying I'm like this 24/7,
Yeah.
but the moment bad trip ako, instant shift. Because I understand that no there's no such thing as bad news. The bad news that is can be the greatest news because that can be a golden opportunity for me to uncover something
Mm-hmm.
that will lead me closer to where I'm intended to be
Yeah.
that I don't know of.
Okay.
Which means I never canceled my day because it was raining.
Mm.
I never canceled a day because somebody told me this.
Yeah.
Maybe for a few moments na parang, di ba? Okay, dark side muna tayo. Okay, I'm sorry, please forgive me. Okay, praise God na tayo. So it's easy for me to say, and at few seconds, thank you, Lord.
Mm.
So it's just training, conditioning myself to shift the fastest way. Kasi nga,
Yeah.
the moment you say, letting it go, thank you, Lord. Yun yung sinasabi ko eh, na bad trip ka, na discourage ka, na inis ka, nagmarites ka, nag-inuman kayo, napuyat ka, lumalayo ka eh. And the only solution there is, hey, wake up. Be responsible.
Uh,
Yes, you have all the right to be angry, but your feelings are valid, but your
yeah.
behavior is not. And therefore, go back.
Mm.
That brings me to number 2. Maximize your day
Mm.
with the work. And the only work you have here is not your business. Your business is only a perfect reflection of the work that you do internally,
Mm.
which is your work here is transforming yourself to the person who will receive the multi-billion dollars if that's what you want.
Mm.
So, which means for me to make sure
Yeah.
that I am in full alignment with my creator is for me to understand my only work. So, my only work is transformation.
Mm.
That means today I woke up 3 a.m. Maybe I'm going home tonight at 10.
Yeah.
But if you notice my day, back to back to back to back to back, only 3 things. Number 1, growth.
Mm.
Anything and everything has something to do with my growth. Nothing to do with money making, but everything to do with my growth. Why? Because when I grow myself so much, I create that value that I have all the knowledge, skills, experience to serve the world.
Yeah.
And therefore, when I have high value, the world will pay me back the value that I create. My fear is most people are just working for survival. I got it from you. It's what we call pleasure money. Para makakain lang,
Mm.
or makabili lang ng bagong relo, or maka-party-party,
Yeah.
or just enough to feed. And I feel okay with it. Nothing wrong, except some people, or most people, especially who have money,
Yeah.
they only invest their time, energy, effort, and money in what we call their profit money. Nothing wrong around it, except that when the profit doesn't show up, or when the business closes or the business fails, they never grow.
Mm.
And that's why problemado sila to be attached to this was work. Kasi kung wala, patay ako. I think the growth that I'm talking about here is being able to, you just said it, purpose money.
Mm.
Which means if I leave my purpose, and the only purpose in life for me is just two things: to love as much as I can and to grow as much as I can.
Yeah.
So when I'm growing, I'm expanding, I'm nurturing, if money is what I want, it will just come because my work here is just to grow as much as I can. And if my business fails, that's okay. You know that I just recently um, released one of major business,
Mm-hmm.
and I did not even feel the of income. In
Mm.
fact, it elevated more because it was not the business that was giving me the income. It was not the consultancy or anything, but it was my growth that allowed me to be into that space.
Yeah.
So again, your work here is again number one, growth. Number two, being open to brand new experiences in life. How can you celebrate life? You don't even know what is available out
Yeah.
there. So which means allow yourself to meet as many people as you can, to experience as many experiences as you can, to allow yourself to immerse in the game called life.
Mm-hmm.
And once you have that experience, then you now know what you want, what you don't
Yeah.
want, and that's how life
Yeah.
is.
I have a question on that, coach. Kasi you also before when we were in an agency together, you were telling us about this concept called no extra time.
Yep.
And then now you're saying that we need to allow ourselves to be open to different
Yep.
experiences. So how do you integrate that? So parang if I let's say for me my days are like jam packed, but I do acknowledge that the on the experience side, that's where I think I'm lacking.
Mm-hmm.
Like I'm so focused on growth, right?
Mm-hmm.
Growth checklist yan sa akin, pang pang pang, growing. But then on the experience side, that's where I feel na parang, well, I don't have time for that.
You
Like,
make time for it. You explore. I mean, if there's invitation, you don't know what it is. Okay, let's check it out. How
okay.
do I know if I want this, or how do I know if I want it, or if I don't want it? I mean, the first time you receive an invitation for me to visit the farm, what was the experience like?
Oh, it was magic.
Exactly. But if you said no to it, how would you know that it's beautiful to hang out in the in a farm?
Yeah.
So again, I know you get a lot of invitation.
Yeah.
Again, as long as it's not illegal, immoral, life-threatening, or maybe putting down people, take time to see what's a bigger world outside. You know, it's a sad fact that I know some people who's been doing something for the past 20, 30, 40 years. And when I talk to them, that's like, I say, wala na ako ibang gawin eh. Kasi hindi mo binuksan yung sarili mo na baka meron pang ibang maganda rin na i-consider mo.
Yeah.
And I call that life integration. So right now, of course, you know, I'm into farming. Okay, I'm
Mhm.
putting up a lot of creative things that you don't even, I cannot even imagine it's possible. Because again, binuksan ko yung sarili ko eh.
Yeah.
Um, had I not been open to do content creation, I mean, Yanni has been telling me, Coach, mag-content ka na. Ayoko, mag-content ka na. Ayoko. Alam mo, somebody asked me if there's one regret that you have previously. Ako, yun lang. Bakit hindi ako nakinig kay Yani or kila MJ nung pagka-pandemic? Kailan lang ako nag-content creation? 2023, 22.
Two, three. Yeah.
Diba? Kung
Yeah.
sinabayan pa sana kita. Diba? But again, because I don't even know what it is, humindi ako eh.
Mm,
Late na ako. But again, it doesn't matter. Anyway, I opened myself up.
yeah.
So which means pag merong isang imbitasyon, hindi mo alam to, tignan mo muna. So take time for it. The thing around what I'm scared about, if your world revolves around growing yourself in this particular thing, and if this thing will be AI or robotics
Yeah.
or whatever, saan ka pupulutin?
Mm, yeah. That's a lonely life.
It
Medyo
is.
malungkot yun.
It is. I mean, yeah, opening yourself up to people.
Uh-huh.
That an enormous amount of beautiful, long lasting win-win relationship I created of meeting some invitations,
Yeah.
some big celebrities, some
Yeah.
people. So no judgment. Let's see if it's not aligned, then respect.
Yeah.
But if it's aligned, then let's be it.
Coach, for sure ngayon, dami mo ng network ng mga super successful na tao. Are you seeing that more people are open? Kasi parang there's a notion na pag, the successful people they're very exclusive. Can you say that's true or would you say that's the opposite? Like are people
Um,
are
that's
successful?
true for traditional old rich. They want to make it exclusive. And the new rich right now, okay, who are out there wanting to serve the world.
Mm,
Why? The traditional, I should say, entrepreneurs, they'll do anything, everything to guard their finances,
yeah.
and therefore nobody can enter my space because ayoko makunan ako. The new entrepreneurs right now, the young, is they're building business not because they want all the profit, but because they want to share the profits.
Mm,
So prosperity for all. Most of the successful new entrepreneurs right now, not the traditional, all they want is to share, to help, to support, build communities,
yeah.
support people, and I think that's the new way of thinking around that.
Yeah. Kaya- Well, going back to your point kanina, coach, you have growth, you have experience. What's the last one?
You do your growth, you do your experience, not for money's sake, but for contribution sake. Which means if you want to earn by the billions, you must make sure you grow as much as you can,
Yeah.
having all the knowledge, skills, experience to have to think like billionaires think. But I want you to experience how what is the emotion, what are the experience of billionaires. However, these are all useless not unless you're willing to give away billions of value out there.
Mm. I think that's also I think it just hit me, coach, when it comes to also personal branding. Like the ones who give a lot, that teaches the most. Sila yung mabilis din
I mean,
yumaman or magkaroon ng
Alec,
sales.
I may have like I'm grateful I have 500,000 followers. Super grateful, but it's far, far from people who I know 15, 20 million. And the conversion of my business is crazy. 10x. Why? Because I never ask anything from my followers. All I do is just to give is just to give
Yeah.
value, and even if I don't ask anything, it's just given back to me. Effortless.
Yeah.
I think, syempre, we're in the circle. Um, I know for a fact that most of the people who I know have a lot of great following. Online, they're different.
Yeah. A
Offline,
lot.
they're so different.
Yeah.
Why? Maybe because, again, I have to put up a certain whatever for me to get more business
Mm,
versus I'm just out here to give business, to give support.
yeah. What's can you give some practical like step by or steps no or ways to contribute the world? Like for example, if someone's listening to this na, hey, I can contribute but in terms of money, I don't have that. Wala naman akong
All right.
ganun like
Simple. Pagkagising mo, anyone who you meet at home, say thank you, good morning.
mm,
Anyone. That's a blessing. The moment you go out of your house, okay, you greet anyone and everyone like a sunshine. That who knows you're giving them the time of their life that, yeah, somebody greeted me. Somebody said, affirmation is beautiful.
yeah.
I don't know if you remember, everywhere we go, whatever we do, I look people straight in the eye. I make sure I greet them. I make sure I call them. I make sure they feel valued. That one thing for sure. People are so lonely right now because, again, they're always looking for other people to make them valuable.
Mm.
Why don't you give it all away? That's simple, right? At the end of the day, my mindset all the time is how can I serve?
Mm.
How can I give?
Yeah.
How can I support? Because again, the law of attraction says, give me this, give me this, give me this.
Mhm.
Diba? Ask for what you want.
Yeah.
And the universe say, give me this, give me this, give me this. But when you say, how can I serve? How
Yeah.
can I support? How can I love? And God or universe say, Russ, Alec, how can I serve? How can I support? How can I love you more? What you throw out will go back to you. So if you throw out, give me business, the universe will require you, give me business. Versus how can I help? How can I give you business? The universe or the world will decide, how can I give you business?
Yeah. That's that's really refreshing to hear, Coach. Na I mean, it's basically the same. Like we're still talking to the universe, but it's a different messaging. That's why it's not effective. Na pag hingi ka ng hingi, hingi rin lang din ng hingi si universe
Yeah,
sa'yo.
sa totoo lang, pag may kasama ka tapos walang ibang ginawa, kung hingi ng hingi sa'yo,
Yeah.
matutuwa ka?
Taker. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Be a giver.
Uh-huh.
Now, here's the thing. A lot of people will again comment, okay, dati galing na ako dyan, naabuso na ako,
Yeah.
ayoko na yan.
Mm.
Because you're giving from an empty cup. I
Mm.
mean, you know this, Alec. I think there was one time you, Jed, Yanni, and Jed was crying because you guys felt a lot of people are taking advantage from me.
Mm.
And you guys are always telling me, wag na yan, coach, kasi grabe yan, ganito. And then I just smile. Why? Because I never felt I was taken advantage of.
Mm.
Kung may nakuha man sa akin, because it
Yeah.
was an outflow of what was inside.
Yeah. Hindi ka nabawasan.
Hindi ako nabawasan. I mean, it has to go somewhere. I- Remember our favorite place, Waterfalls?
Yeah.
That Waterfalls has been there for billions of years. Never ending. Most of the waterfalls napupunta sa water district. Do you think the water district say, thank you, waterfalls, or they never thank the waterfalls?
No, no.
Nagalit ba siya? Napunta yung waterfalls sa Babuyan. Nagalit ba siya? Napunta yung waterfalls sa Kangkungan. Nagalit ba siya? Napunta yung waterfalls sa Katuan. Hindi. Because it's just an overflow that it doesn't matter. That's what abundance is all about.
Yeah. Meron ako nakitang quote, Coach, na ang sabi niya is, someone else winning doesn't mean you're losing. And I think yan din ang bago kong parang mindset towards abundance. That there's really like when you say abundance, that there's blessings, there's
Yeah.
for everyone.
You call that law of supply.
Mm-hmm.
The, so whatever you believe in becomes true for you. Let's say if money. If you have a lot of money because your belief system around the supply of money, there's always plenty for everyone.
Mm.
So wag na wag kang matakot. But if you just have enough money, maybe because your belief system of the supply
Yeah.
of money is there's not enough money. So whatever your belief system are, whatever you believe in, it will be true.
Yeah.
How do you know about your belief system? Based on result.
Mm.
So I don't have all the money in this world and I choose to enjoy that.
Yeah.
But here's the thing. If I need it in quality and quantity anytime, I have access to it. Like an air. Sige nga, huminga ka ng malalim. Earn. Spend it. Nagtira ka, hindi. Ba't hindi ka nagtira? Sayang yun. Ba't hindi ka nagtira?
Dami naman. Hindi naman naubos
Hindi,
yan.
because you know the next breath, it's there.
Yeah.
Except maybe our belief system and the law of supply
Yeah.
is different. Sabi nga daw, if we divide all the money in the world equally, distribute it to everyone,
Yeah.
it's just a matter of time they will go back to original owners.
Mm. Because the beliefs, yun ang kahit makuha mo yung pera, Dahil yung beliefs mo parang takot.
Yeah.
Mawawala mo rin yan.
Scarcity.
Uh-huh.
How do we know that people in this state of scarcity, they live in fear,
Yeah.
they live in doubt, they live in worry, and all the fear, doubt, and worry simply because it's a belief system that a lot of people are all wired up that scarcity. Pag kinunang kita, pag kumuha ko sa iyo, mababawasan ka. Hindi eh. Pag binigyan kita, mababawasan ko. Hindi eh. Kaya nga, I just learned recently that 1 plus 1 is not 2. It's 3.
Hmm.
It's collaboration. It's support. And that's why the only thing I know in this world that will really operate is whatever I give to you,
Yeah.
I'm giving it to me. So, kung matakaw ako sa iyo, kanino talaga ako matakaw?
Sa sarili ko.
Exactly. So, kung ninakawan kita, sino talaga ninakawan ko?
Yeah, sarili ko.
So, therefore, kaya nga naiinis kayo sa akin no, na parang ano ba, Ras? Halata namang taker yan. Bigay ka pa rin ng bigay. Diba? Sabi ko, hindi naman ako naubusan na eh. Bakit? Nakukulangan ba kayo sa akin? Diba? Hindi din. O di, walang problema.
Yeah.
Diba? Buti sana kung nasaktan kayo dahil kulang yung bigay ko sa'yo dahil nabigay ko sa'yo. Ba, hindi eh. Because naintindihan ko.
Yeah.
Kung ninakawan mo ko, hindi ako ninakawan mo. Sarili mo.
Yeah. And I want to thank you for that, Coach. I mean, for the past year, unlike before, na talagang everyday ako nakabuntot sa'yo. Today, I mean, in the time that we're at now, we're building this. You're building something so big as well. But anytime that I would message you, you would see my stories, you would give to me, which is something that I appreciate every single time. Na parang, grabe, di ka talaga nauubusan, Coach. So thank you so much for that.
Yeah, be like your creator. Hindi nauubos ang creator mo.
Yeah.
Ang tanong, connected ka ba sa source?
Yeah.
Kaya ka nauubusan kasi nag-disconnect ka.
Yeah. Coach, as we're wrapping this up, may I ask, like, if you were to teach, how do you pray? How can someone be connected to the source? What's your prayer?
Of course, prayer as a verb, which is I sit down, I close my eyes, and I only have 3 prayers. Number 1, gratitude. Just every night before I sleep, I pray. I cry every night. Thank you. Forgiveness. I clear my heart every night. Same prayer. To all those who have hurt, please forgive me. For those who have hurt me, I'm offering forgiveness. And the last prayer here is, as I sleep tonight, let your will be done. Use me heavily to bless the world. And I don't believe in Lord, beckon a man. Lord, sige na. Bigay mo na sa akin, Lord.
Sorry, ganyan yung prayer.
Stop it. Everything that you want is there. And if you're not receiving it because you are not prepared, prepare yourself. Prayer as a verb. However, I also have a prayer as an emotion that I make sure that every time I am awake, I make sure I feel God in my heart. And the way I feel God is I feel good. So even if I don't do the rosary or do my praise and worship, but I feel good all the time, because when I feel good, prayer as an action, I do good. So 24 hours prayer, prayer sitting down, prayer closing my eyes for 1 hour to listen, but prayer in my awareness of how I feel. Am I connected to the source? Do I feel good no matter what? And the most important prayer for me is, even if I don't speak about my faith, even if I don't speak and preach about God, but my action is all about kindness, forgiveness, non-judgmental, compassion. That speaks a lot about my Creator.
Wow. Thank you so much, Coach. every single time we have this conversation, it just blows my mind of how much of a blessing you are, the legacy that you're leaving uh, with every conversation that you have is truly amazing, and I'm really blessed to have you here on the podcast again. And thank you so much for being a blessing to me, Coach, and to all the viewers as well. But if I may ask, if there's one more thing, one final thing. If all the learnings from the personal development stuff, from the spiritual, if there was just one thing that you would tell to someone who is lost and confused, what advice would you give that person?
Go back to him. Believe that he is the only solution in whatever problem, struggle, or maybe not clear about life. Because when you are with him, in him, through him, all things are possible.
Thank you so much, Coach. My heart is just so happy again, and I'm sure that a lot of people will definitely appreciate that message. This has been a jam-packed episode. Maraming salamat, Coach. Coach, I know I'll be linking down all the ways that you could connect to Coach Russ here. I think for first episode, maraming beses din na shinare nyo to sa mga kamag-anak nyo, sa mga kaibigan nyo, sa mga business partners nyo who wants to get into this world of personal development or taking care of their souls or transformation and healing. And now, of course, taking care of their metaphysical aspect. Um, ililink ko lahat ng links ni Coach below so that you can learn more about him. But Coach, are you working on something, an exciting project that you want to share to people? Just invite them. How could they find you?
I have a community called Ako Naman Muna.
Mm,
It's really inviting people to make yourself first.
yeah,
Because when you make yourself first, you're also allowing him to be your first.
yeah,
That you spend time, energy, and effort to nurture you, to grow you, to develop you, so that when you go out of the world, you can serve the world. So it's a movement. We have every day Zoom,
every day.
4 a.m. We meditate all together, right? And
Wow.
then at 5 to 6, we call it synthesis, wherein people gets to talk about anything that will allow them to deeply, completely enjoy the goodness of life
Yeah,
that they understand. So it's something that I would love to see, because the advocacy here is one day walang Pilipinong iiwanan ng bansa, iiwanan ng pamilya kasi ang ekonomiya nasa labas. One day, hopefully, first world tayo, ang
yep.
ekonomiya nandito. And the only way that can happen is when we start changing our mind, changing our personality through a practice of meditation.
Yeah, okay. Love that. Really practical community, guys. Highly
Saka walang
recommend.
bayad. Saka hindi scam to. Wala akong binibentang produkto, wala akong binibentang course. So, nagiging scam lang to pag sabihin ko, itong course na ito, wala.
Papayaman sa inyo. But yeah, thank you, Coach. Ililink ko din. Ako naman muna. And you also have, meron bang, di ba meron yung mga ano, Coach? Mga one-day event.
Yeah, there are a lot of events. We just recently did Baguio. So, I'm planning to exponentially grow it by training more people to do what I do. So, to spread this.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Coach. And more blessings to you and your mission. Kasama mo ako dito, Coach, sa project na to. But again, thank you guys so much. And thank you, Coach, again. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta mo. I know, umextend tayo ng 1 oras. Pero, ang dami ko pang gusto itanong. Pero eto pa lang, ang dami ko na realizations. Parang ang dami na agad lumalabas sa akin ng mga, oops, parang ginagawa ko yan. Yung mga bagay na na-realize ko. So, thank you. I'm excited to see you again after you apply lahat yan. But again, guys, thank you so much for watching. This has been an amazing episode. Please, if you like this one, share it to as many people as you can. Tag us at Alec Cuenca, at Coach Russ.
Yep.
Uh,
Transformational Coach Russ in Facebook.
in Facebook, hanap nyo
Tito Tito.
Transformational Coach Russ, or Russ Huson din on Instagram, and on TikTok, available din si Coach. And if you're watching on YouTube, please click that like, subscribe button so you can get updates kung kailan din yung mga next episodes namin for this one. I'll have more amazing guests, just like Coach here, guests on the show. And just, again, super grateful for you guys. You guys are the oxygen why we do this. So thank you so much. But again, my name is Alec Cuenca. This is Small Talk, Small Conversations with huge impact. And I'll see you guys next episode. Peace.